Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Grasp. Grasp means seize and hold firmly. For example, she grasped the bottle. She grasped the bottle. Synonyms: grip, clutch, clasp.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. He extends a limp hand which Sharon grasps firmly. Now, repeat after me. He extends a limp hand which Sharon grasps firmly. The second exemplar. Her eyes pleaded with him, her hand still firmly grasping his. Now, repeat after me. Her eyes pleaded with him, her hand still firmly grasping his. The third exemplar. John grasped Rob firmly by the wrist and moved toward the door. Now, repeat after me. John grasped Rob firmly by the wrist and moved toward the door.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The motto on the royal coat of arms of the United Kingdom is in French. It says, Dieu et mon droit, or, God and my right.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.